natin dito sa studio. Suot na ang kanilang SOS ang Sandata on sa kuna, powered by Everready flashlights and batteries. Wala itong chemical na makakasama sa inyong kalusugan. Pak na pak talaga yan at patikantahan sa barangay. Pak na pak pa rin. PNV na. Pambato ng Videoke. Dabarkad sa barangay Buting, Pasig City. Pasok!
Wow, Adele ba ito?
Yes. Take fire, starting in my heart, reaching the fever pitch and brings me out of dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead, sell me out, I'll lay your ship bare. See how I'll have it, every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching the fever pitch and bringing me out of the dark. The skies are blue, love remind me of us. We keep thinking that we almost had it all.
Go, Sam!
Skies are blue, love be breathless, can't help feeling we could have had it all.
Kasi naman, late.
Yes! Kailan ako kakanta, tsaka nyo pinuto.
Grabe naman yung mga leveling ninyo ngayon. Mali, Paulo.
Yes, sumakagel.
6-time Grammy winner lang naman ang leveling.
Correct. Pinakakanta nila sa akin, sabi ko, pambabae yan.
Jose, kailan ka papasok?
Ha?
Kailan ka papasok?
Pumasok ako, pinatay nyo naman.
Grabe, kinakaya-kaya nyo lang si Jose.
At kinakaya-kaya lang ng dalawa si Adele.
Oo nga.
Imagine that. O kantahan naman ang labanan natin ngayon dito sa PNV, pambato ng Videoke.
Kantahan?
Surprise!
At bago natin kilalanin ang mga PNV, eto muna ang ating mga judges.
May judges din? Ha?
Pinangungunan.
First time. May barangay chairwoman. Alan K.
There's a face only mother can love.
Yun ang mga lyrics.
Ang pangalawa na nating judge, nakikikanta pa kanina. Idol kaya niya si Adele, Sam YG.
Bombay, that does not mean
Bombay.
Ayun na yung motor.
Okay parang lumevel up na yung motor ni Sam YG Judge number 3, a university choir member si Wayrel Abuel. Rhyming Wayrel Abuel.
Well, ang pang-apat natin na judge ay isang music graduate ng piano and trumpet major, si Rowel Libunao.